like to think that I'm like the homegirl Rachael Ray. My name is Tanya Fields, otherwise known as Mama Tanya. I am the founder of the Black Feminist Project here in the South Bronx. I started the Black Feminist Project not only to help women in my community, but also to save my life and the lives of my children. Started with my own journey with health. At my highest, I was 310 pounds. Simultaneously, I was raising a chronically asthmatic child. I found out just how important it is to have healthy food. And so I decided to start working with other organizations and empowered people in our community to demand more. And in that 15 years, we have seen a shift. There are definitely more farmers markets than there were when I first started this work. And I am really proud to say that I've been a part of that in my community. Welcome to Mama Tanya's Kitchen. Mama Tanya's Kitchen is a direct result of me doing work on the South Bronx mobile market. We were offering things a lot of times that people had never seen before. Blue potatoes, green eggs. And so what I started doing was food demos. And those food demos, because in the world of social media, I would record them and post them. And people would respond to them so well that all of a sudden a light bulb went off in my head and I was like, I could actually turn this into like a lifestyle and a food thing for people in my community, because oftentimes we are ignored in the lifestyle and food genre. And people have been responding to it very well. You know, I would like to think that I'm like the homegirl Rachael Ray. You know? We are opening up a 2,000 square foot community center called the Alice Fields Community Center for Black women, femmes, and girls. Alice Fields was my grandmother, and she is an example of the unsung heroes that we have in our communities. It will have a commercial kitchen. It will have community space where people can have small gatherings. It will be a reflection of what this community deserves.
Mama Tanya, I don't even know. I don't even know where to begin. You know, I try and share with people every day that you can change the world. Can you speak to everyone watching how it feels for you and what drives you to serve your community?
You know, I'm trying to, first of all, hi, Rachael.
Hi!
I'm so excited to be here.
I'm so excited to have you. I'm so excited to have you.
I am like the South Bronx homegirl Rachael Ray. Like, that's it. I'm trying to make food accessible, right? In all of the ways to people in my community. You have made food accessible, right? When we think about lifestyle and genre, Rachael has made food accessible. And so that is a very similar energy that I bring to food justice work, that I bring to my little online burgeoning community of Mama Tanya's Kitchen followers. And as I watch that tape, you know, I'm like, girl, don't cry. Don't have your false eyelashes come off. Because I'm like, that. I'm like,
You're so cool.
Don't have that moment on TV, girl. Because I'm like, I do that. That's what I do every day. I do this work for my community. I do this work for myself first and foremost. There's no sense of altruism here. This is not about, you know, I went to some abroad program and then came back and decided that I would save this particular group of folks. These are my people. And so I think for me, what the difference has been that I had an amazing, you know, seeing my grandmother, God rest her soul, on you know, like this woman who raised.
I don't want you to get upset. Right. I want you to stay in that happy place. You started with bringing joy and your fullest sense of self to yourself.
That's it,
and
Rachael.
honoring
Joy.
yourself and honoring your grandmother.
Yes.
And her spirit and her guidance and her importance in your life. And from that, this is how we grow. Tanya, you are doing so much to feed your community, and it is valued not only by us, but our friends at Wonderful Pistachios. They are giving you $10,000 to keep doing your amazing work. $10,000. That's a whole lot of pistachio.
That is a whole lot of pistachio. That is, in fact, wonderful. Thank you so much.